Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to set up the Netgear EAX20 AX1800 Wi-Fi range extender. Whether you're boosting Wi-Fi in your home or office, this guide will have you connected in minutes. Let's get started. Begin by unboxing your Netgear EAX20 extender. Inside the box, you'll find the extender unit, a power adapter, and a quick start guide. Make sure you have a working router and a mobile or desktop device with Wi-Fi access ready. Ensure that you have an active and functioning Wi-Fi router, along with a smartphone, tablet, or desktop device connected to Wi-Fi, as these are essential for completing the setup process smoothly. Plug the extender into a wall outlet midway between your Wi-Fi router and the area with poor signal. Wait for the LED light to turn solid white. This means the extender is powered on and ready to be set up. On your smartphone or computer, go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default SSID, Netgear_EXT. Once connected, open a browser and go to www.mywifi.ext.net or 192.168.1.250. You'll be guided through the Netgear installation wizard. Choose Wi-Fi range extender as your mode. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network, then enter your existing Wi-Fi password when prompted. Next, you can rename the extender's SSID or keep it the same as your main network with _EXT added at the end. Click Continue. The extender will now apply settings and reboot. Once the extender reboots, connect your phone or computer to the new extended network. If everything is set up correctly, you'll have strong Wi-Fi coverage in previously weak areas. If you face any issues or need assistance, our dedicated support team is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out at 1-323-507-3713 for expert guidance and troubleshooting. And that's it. Your Netgear EAX20 AX1800 Wi-Fi extender is now up and running. Enjoy fast and seamless internet in every corner of your home. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching.